Welcome to another interesting question on word problems. We'll consider work done by three persons in this particular video and compare the rate at which two of them work together as compared to the other. In case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. Let us now understand the concept and enjoy the journey of success. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll discuss a question based on work done. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos and posting brilliant questions. It comes from one of our subscribers. Let us try to understand what is required. Alice and Bob work together 2 times faster than Charlie. Alice and Charlie work together 3 times faster than Bob. How much times faster will Bob and Charlie work together than Alice? That's the question. I would like you to pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Let's try to understand the strategy to solve such problems. So let us say that Alice can do the work in A units. So we can say complete work by Alice in A units. Units could be hours, days, whatever, right? Depending on the work. Similarly, complete work by Bob will be in, let us say, B units. And complete work by Charlie in C units, right? So this is the complete work done. Now, we have to consider how much work will be done per unit. So we have to now find the rate. Rate means work done per unit. So work done per unit for Alice will be what? For Alice it will be 1 over A. For Bob it will be 1 over B. And for Charlie it will be 1 over C, correct? So let us say Alice takes 10 hours to complete the work. Then in 1 hour, 1/10 of the work will be done. That is what we mean, correct? Okay. So we defined our variables and now we'll read the statement and try to write the equation, correct? The first statement is Alice and Bob work together 2 times faster than Charlie. That means 1 over A plus 1 over B. That is the work done by both Alice and Bob together. It is 2 times faster than Charlie, means twice what unit rate for Charlie is. You get the idea. So let us say in 1 unit of time, 1A plus 1 over B will be twice the work done by Charlie. So that gives you one of the equations, right? Similarly, from the second statement, which is Alice and Charlie work together 3 times as fast as Bob. So Alice and Charlie work 3 times as fast as Bob. So we get the second equation. Now we need to find how much work faster will Bob and Charlie work together than Alice. So Bob and Charlie. So we really want to find what is this equation, right? So that is what we need to find, right? So I hope you understand the question. So we have 2 equations which we can help to find the value of 1 over B and 1 over c in terms of 1 over a. So we'll get what is required. Perfect. So now, there are many ways to solve these equations. We can say from equation 1 that 1 over a is equal to 2 over c minus 1 over b. And from the second equation, we can write 1 over a is equals to 3 over b minus 1 over c. Now combine these two equations, because both are 1 over a, we can write 2 over c minus 1 over b is equal to 3 over b minus 1 over c. Now bringing the b's and c's together, we can say that 2 over c plus 1 over c is equal to 3 over b plus 1 over b, correct? So that relates b and c, right? So we have 3 over c equals to 4 over b, correct? So in a way, we have related b with c, right? So from here, we can say what is 1 over b equals to, right? So from here, we can say 1 over b is equal to, so 3 over 4 over c, correct? So we have a relation relating b in terms of c. But now let us put this value in one of our equations, which is 1 over a is 2 over c minus 1 over b. And then we can see how c is related to a, correct? So we are going to substitute this equation in the very first equation. What is 1 over b, right? Do you see that part? So we can say 1 over a is equal to 2 over c minus 3 over 4c. That is, taking 4c as common denominator, 4 times 2, 8. 8 minus 3 means 5c. So 1 over a is equal to 5 over 4c, correct? So we have written c in terms of a. We can now from here write 1 over c as equal to 4 over 5a, correct? So 1 over c is written as 4 over 5a. Now if I know that 1 over c is 4 over 5a, I can find what 1 over b is, right? So 1 over b, which is equal to 3 over 4c, can now be written in terms of a. So I'm writing 3 over 4 times 1 over c is 4 over 5a, right? So which is 3 over 5a. So as you can see, we now know exactly what is 1 over b in terms of a and what is 1 over c in terms of a, correct? And therefore, we can figure out what is 1 over b plus 1 over c, right? So as you can see, we have 1 over c equals to 4 over 5a and 1 over b equals to 3 over 5a, right? So let's go to a new page. Write down what we have just got. We are saying that 1 over c is equal to 4 over 5a and 1 over b is equal to 3 over 5a. And what we need to figure out is how much time faster will Bob and Charlie work together than Alice? So we can combine these two, right? So that is 1 over b plus 1 over c is what? So in terms of a, we can write 4 over 5a plus 3. In fact, I should write 3 first, right? I wrote b there. So 3 over 5a plus 4 over 5a, which is 7 over 5a. So you have your relation, which is how much faster will Bob and Charlie work together than Alice. So the answer here is they will be 7 over 5, right? 7 over 5 times. 7 over 5 times faster than A. Is that correct? So that is how we can actually solve this particular question. Perfect. So once again, let us look into the summary of this solution. Writing equations, Alice and Bob work together 2 times faster than Charlie. So we normally take unitaries. Which in this case is A, B, and C, right? So A, B, and C is the total work done. So in one unit, 1 over A, 1 over B, and 1 over C. So the first equation, Alice and Bob work together 2 times faster than C, gives us the equation 1 over A plus 1 over B equals to 2 times faster than C. And the second equation, Alice and Charlie work 3 times faster than Bob, gives us this equation. Using these equations, we found what is 1 over B in terms of A and what is 1 over C in terms of A. And then we have substituted those values in the equation. What happens when Bob and Charlie work together? How many times is it with respect to A? And knowing B and C, we actually get this value. Perfect. Just as shown in this particular solution. So I hope the steps are absolutely clear. In case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to contact. And if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.